breakfast. Okay, maybe not this for breakfast, but this is my leftover chicken. It's not much meat because there's bone in it. And basic grapes. Hi, Peanut. Okay, I bought blueberries the other day, so I'm gonna have it. And maybe with bananas. And some cherries. Oh my god, I bought this standard bread the other day, yesterday. I don't know, I didn't put it in the fridge, but I had it last night. It's so good though. It's tomato basil bread, but it's not sourdough. Anyway, this is from Korea. It's a Korean brand in Singapore. Hi guys, I'm on the boat. It's been raining every day, only today it's sunny. It's so nice out today.
Take a nice deep breath in and deep breath out. Then lower your hips, cross your legs, and let's come into our final series of class. So come into your hands and your knees. Make sure your hands are underneath your shoulders and your knees are underneath your hips. Keeping your spine nice and straight. Leading with our left foot to start, walk your feet back, then forward and forward, then lead with the right back, forward and forward. 8 more, alternating the leading leg each time. Make sure that you're keeping your spine nice and straight, your belly button joint up towards your spine, and that when you walk your feet forward, that your knees are directly underneath your hips. Really working those lower abs. You're doing really well. Knee into your chest, slightly pike your hips up, inhale lower. Exhale, pull your right knee in, inhale lower. 8 more. I really want you to focus on pulling your knee in towards your chest and lifting up through your belly button. Keep pressing down through your shoulders. 4 more to go. You can do it. Exhale, pull. Inhale lower. 2 more. And last one. Well done. Lower your knees, untuck your toes, and carefully open your chest, rolling your shoulders back. Pull this back and lift your chest up into a beautiful cobra. Take a deep child's pose. Take deep breaths here. Thank you so much again, and I hope you have the most beautiful day.
Oh my god, hi guys, hope you can hear me. I just took a Grab because it was drizzling to a restaurant. The restaurant is a cafe restaurant called invited me here today for a media tasting, so I'm really excited for the food. I'm so excited, let's go. I go, let me show you my feet. This is from Taobao. My jeans is from Shein. My shoe is from Celine. It's very nice. I love it that it's platform, but it's quite heavy. And my bag today is from Dior. It's vintage. I chose an outdoor seat. It's like super pretty. Let me show you my view. Look. So cute, but like it's all private estate here. Honestly, everything looks so nice.